bike that I ordered on Walmart. It's called the Hyper Cam Zink Pro model. And I thought it was actually going to be small. It's actually pretty big, like the size of my road bike, almost. But you know, it's a 26-inch, so you gotta expect that. Just gonna do a unboxing. So I'm gonna open this up. I got it. Give me a second. Let me rip this off. Okay. Seat. Oops. I think it's just a regular BMX seat. What the picture shows. Yeah, it was pretty big one. Alright, anyways, take care of that later. And I don't know how much bike weighs. I can throw it on a scale real quick. And this is the bike. It's all packaged up real neat. Front disc. Right here. Rear disc brakes. It's got knobby tires. 26-inch. It's actually a pretty sturdy frame. 3-piece crank. Nothing special. Yeah, pretty much. It's got the, let's see if we can zoom in on this one. It's got the single chain ring with I think a 7-speed cassette. That's all pretty much. There's nothing special to it, but it cost about $200. Gonna piece it up and see how it performs. Before I do that, let me get a video of the weight. The weight of this bike pretty much without anything taken off. Let's see if it surprises me. Because it doesn't really specify the weight. I just wanted to make sure it's like a pretty good weight. I don't know how much, but good enough. Okay. There we go. Hook it like right here. Okay. Just real quick. No. Let's see.
About 34?
No, hold on. It has to be still. And it'll save it. It'll save it for like that moment. Yeah, it's about 34 pounds. I'll probably get another weight measurement. This is starting to get kind of heavy. Alright, that's all. Yo, it finally came in today. This is the bike that I ordered on Walmart. It's called the Hyper Cam Zink Pro model. And I thought it was actually going to be small. It's actually pretty big. Like the size of my road bike, almost. But you know, it's a 26-inch.